In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a row in Smartsheet. Adding links directly into your Smartsheet cells is a great way to keep all your important resources in one place. Instead of jumping between tabs or digging through emails, you can connect a row to a web page, a shared document, or any online resource with just a couple of clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the fastest way to do it, using a simple keyboard shortcut that works on both Windows and Mac. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open and you're looking at the sheet where you want to add the link. Identify the exact cell in the row that should hold the link. This might be a column called Reference, Documentation, Ticket URL, or anything your team uses. Click once on that cell so it's clearly selected. You should see the blue outline around it, indicating that Smartsheet is ready for you to edit that specific spot. With the cell selected, use the shortcut to open the link window. On Windows, press Ctrl and K together. On a Mac, press Command and K. This is much quicker than going through menus and works almost anywhere in Smartsheet when a cell is active. As soon as you press the shortcut, a small window or dialog box will appear, giving you options to add a link. In that window, look for the field labeled Link to URL. This is where you'll place the website address or link you want to attach to the cell. Copy your URL from your browser or wherever it's stored, then paste it into that box. It's a good idea to make sure the full address is included, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so the link works correctly when someone clicks it later. Once the URL is in place, you're ready to confirm it. You can simply press Enter on your keyboard or click the OK button in the window. Smartsheet will then save that link to the cell you selected. You'll usually see a small indicator, like underlined text or a link icon, showing that the cell now contains a clickable link. That's all there is to it. Select the cell, press Ctrl or Command plus K, paste your URL into the Link to URL box, and confirm with Enter or OK. With this quick method, you can keep your Smartsheet rows tightly connected to the information your team needs.